NCERT presents the story Let's Save Our Rivers.
Shreya lived in a small village. A river ran through the village, on the banks of which she often spent her time playing and fishing with friends. One day, while playing on the river bank, Shreya saw something strange in the river.
Baba, what is that flowing in the river?
My dear, factories are dumping their waste into the river.
What kind of waste?
The leftover things that are no longer in use are dumped into the river by factories. This not only pollutes the river water but also makes it hard for the fish and other river animals to survive. Besides, people also fall ill by drinking this water.
So, we will ask the factory owners not to dump the waste in the river.
Why will they listen to us, dear?
But if this continues, our river will become even more polluted.
Troubled by this, Shreya thought.
Now, I will save the river.
Shreya went to her friends with this problem.
We have to protect the river water from getting dirty. Otherwise, all the fish will die and we will all get sick too.
But what can we do?
We can talk to all the people in the village and take their help.
Yes, let's talk to everyone.
Who is it?
I am Shreya. The river water is getting very dirty.
So, what can I do about this?
Please, at least listen to us once.
After not being able to gain anyone's support from the village, she disappointedly said,
Nobody listened to us.
What shall we do now?
I can't see the river getting dirty. I will definitely do something. I remember Didi had said that writing letters can help bring a change.
Shreya wrote letters to legislature, factory owner, chief, village head, newspaper, chief minister. Chief minister, sir, the waste from the factory in the village is polluting the river water. We all depend on river's water, and this polluted water is causing difficulties for our village. Please help us save our river. Thank you.
I hope this letter will definitely bring the change.
Soon, many people from the village started falling ill. Brother, please give me the medicine for cold and fever.
Rachna dear, who is unwell?
Hello, uncle. Rishabh is not well.
Did he eat something unusual?
No, uncle. The doctor said that this has happened due to drinking contaminated water.
Oh, in the last few days, many people from the village have fallen ill after drinking this contaminated water.
We should have listened to Shreya earlier.
It's not too late.
Everyone goes to Shreya's home.
The entire village is falling ill after drinking contaminated river water.
Now we will also support you, Shreya.
Yes, dear. We have understood how important it is to save the river.
Alright, then let's all start a petition campaign together.
Save the river! Save the river! Save the river!
Pradhan uncle, please take this and help us save our river.
A fine is imposed on the factory for non-compliance with regulations. Additionally, permission is granted to install machines for cleaning the river waste. Upon receiving the order, the factory owner installed a machine to clean the polluted water in the village river. Soon, the garbage was collected with machines and the river became clean.
We promised to dispose of the factory waste properly and not pollute the river water.
And the owner of the factory himself gave assurance to the villagers.
Baba, look, the river has become clean.
I'm proud of you, Shreya. You saved our river.
You were listening to the story Let's Save Our Rivers. Academic Coordinator Professor Usha Sharma. Narration Jyoti Deswal, O Swaraj, Devrat Sharma, Abhishek Sharma, Suhani Pratap Singh, Mayank Vij, Surbhi Sharma, Smriti Tripathi, Jatin Kumar. Technical Direction Rishabh Mahajan, Mayank Vij, Abhishek Sharma. Academic Support Bhavna Kheda. Development Support Jyoti Tiwari, Yachna Gupta, Mohammad Shah Alam. Cell for National Center for Literacy, NCERT, New Delhi. This program has been presented by NCERT, New Delhi, India, in collaboration with Pawan Productions.